Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of air fryers, specifically the best models of 2024. If you're looking to elevate your cooking game, stick around because we've got some fantastic options that cater to every need and budget. And remember, all the links are in the description below for easy access. First up, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1, our pick for the best all-around air fryer. This versatile machine boasts 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and even dehydrate. With a spacious 6-quart capacity, it can handle family-sized meals. The one-touch smart programs make cooking effortless, and its quick preheat time gets your meals ready in no time. Plus, the easy clean non-stick basket means less hassle for you after cooking. Whether you're whipping up crispy fries or a roasted chicken, this air fryer does it all with precision. Check out the link in the description to grab yours. Next, we have the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501, the best value air fryer on our list. This model is perfect for those who want quality without a hefty price tag. The 5-quart capacity is great for small families, and its user-friendly touchscreen interface offers 11 preset cooking options. With rapid air circulation technology, you'll achieve that perfect, crispy texture with little to no oil. Plus, it's made with a dishwasher-safe basket for effortless cleanup. If you want a fantastic air fryer without overspending, this is your best bet. Links down below. Now, let's talk about the best performer, the Dreo ChefMaker. If you're serious about cooking, this air fryer delivers top-notch results. Equipped with a unique smart temperature control, it ensures your food cooks evenly every time. The 100 preset recipes take the guesswork out of meal prep, and its sleek design means it looks great on any countertop. Plus, the large 6-quart capacity is perfect for family meals. For those who want precision and performance, the Dreo ChefMaker is a must-have. Check it out in the description. If ease of use is what you're after, look no further than the Ultenic K10 Smart Air Fryer. It's our pick for the easiest to use air fryer. This model features Wi-Fi connectivity and an accompanying app that allows you to control your cooking from anywhere. Voice command compatibility means you can adjust settings hands-free. With a 5-quart capacity, it's great for quick meals, and its intuitive interface makes navigating cooking presets a breeze. If simplicity is key for you, this is the one to get. Links in the description. Feeding a crowd? The Ninja Double Oven Air Fryer is our choice for the best extra-large air fryer. With 2 independent cooking zones, you can prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously, each with its own settings. Its 8-quart capacity is perfect for large meals, and you can easily fit a whole chicken or multiple servings of fries. Plus, the Smart Finish feature ensures everything finishes cooking at the same time. For families or meal preppers, this air fryer is a game changer. If you prefer a quieter option, the Instant Vortex Slim 6-quart is the quietest air fryer you'll find. Thanks to its advanced sound dampening technology, you can cook your favorite meals without the usual noise. This model is perfect for late-night snacks or early morning breakfasts. With 7 built-in smart programs and a spacious 6-quart capacity, it still offers excellent versatility without the noise. If you want peace and quiet while you cook, this one's for you. For those who love multitasking, the Instant Vortex Plus Dual Basket is the best dual basket air fryer. This innovative model features 2 separate cooking baskets, allowing you to prepare 2 different meals at once. Each basket has its own settings, which means you can air fry chicken wings in one and veggies in the other, all at the same time. With a total capacity of 8 quarts, it's perfect for families or entertaining guests. Multitasking has never been easier. Last but not least, the Cosori Pro 3 Dual Blaze is our top pick for the best smart air fryer. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can control this air fryer remotely via the app. It features 12 cooking presets and allows you to monitor your meals from your phone. The unique Dual Blaze heating technology ensures even cooking for crispy results every time. If you love tech in your kitchen, this air fryer will not disappoint. So, there you have it, the top air fryers of 2024. Whether you need an all-around performer, the best value, or a smart option, there's something here for everyone. Be sure to check the links in the description to learn more about each product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. What's your favorite air fryer? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy frying.